So children, let us move further. Now, children, here is a park. We can see different plants, trees, flowers. It's just because of the light which is falling from the sun. You can see here that it is visible because of sunlight. Now, children, it is night time. Can you see any plants, trees, or flowers? No, not clearly, as no light is there from the sun. We can see the shape of the plants, trees, or flowers because there is still some light falling on the earth from the moon, but it is not enough to see everything clearly. Children, we can see all these flowers because the light from the sun is falling on them. They are reflecting that light, and that reflected light from these flowers make us see them. Here we are able to see this apple. It is also because the light from the sun is falling on this apple and it is reflected back to the eyes of this boy, and this boy is able to see the apple. Now children, we will study two different types of objects, that is luminous and non-luminous objects. Now what are luminous and non-luminous objects? Firstly, we will see what are luminous objects. The objects that give out light on their own. Now here you can see sun, stars, fire. All these objects give out light, and therefore these are luminous objects. You know, there are some living luminous objects also. Let us see their example. The first one is firefly, which is also known as Jugnu. Now the next one is jellyfish. Further we have fleshy fungus. Then we have radiant railroad worm. And here we have glowing millipedes. Now all these are natural luminous objects because they are present in nature only. They are not made by man. They glow and emit light on their own. We can see them because light emitting by them is directly entering our eyes. Now children, this bulb is also a luminous object because it emits its own light, and the light emitted by it directly enters our eyes. But you know, it is not natural. It is man-made. Now, what are non-luminous objects? The objects that do not give out light on their own. We can see them because they reflect the light falling on them. Now, the objects that do not give out light on their own, here we have glass. It does not have light of its own. You can see here that the light from the sun is falling on it and it is reflected back into the eyes of this boy, and therefore this boy is able to see that glass. So, this glass is a non-luminous object. Now, these objects are luminous because they have light of their own, and these are non-luminous because they do not have light of their own. We are able to see them because they are reflecting the light falling on them from some other luminous object. Now kids, here is a moon. Is it a luminous or non-luminous object? You will say that moon is a luminous object, but it is wrong. Moon is a non-luminous object. Moon does not have light of its own. It is visible because it reflects the light of the sun falling on it, because of which it glows and it is visible at night time. Kids, we learned how we can see different objects and what are luminous and non-luminous objects. Keep revising the things, children. Thank you.